Welcome to Chapter 17, Crowd Search Optimization. Now in this chapter, I am going to explain to you what crowd search optimization is and how to use the revolutionary software crowdsearch.me. Now according to Searchmetric ranking factors, click-through rate is one of the top 5 ranking factors that Google decides when ranking websites. With crowd searching, you actually pay a user to search for a keyword phrase and then click through to your website, stay on the website, scroll through a couple pages, and then close the browser so it looks like the user actually found what they want and they're not clicking back to the search results. Now this strategy is up and coming and has been proven to be a huge success when implemented correctly. So let's jump straight into this. Okay, first I want to explain what click-through rate is. Now click-through rate is the process of someone typing in a keyword and going through the pages and ultimately clicking on a listing in the search results. It's the percentage of impressions a search gets for a keyword divided by the number of times your website is clicked. So if someone searches for, let's say, plumber, and your website gets shown 1,000 times for that search, and out of those 1,000 times, let's say you get 100 clicks to your website, that means that the CTR for that keyword in reference to your website is 10%. So it just makes sense for Google to rank the websites with better CTR at the top of the searches. This usually means that content on those sites are better and more quality for the searchers. We know that Google tracks CTR because they show us in the Webmaster Tools section. Now let me go ahead and show you this really quick. Okay, so we're in Google Webmaster Tools and I just want to show you where you can find the CTR. So what you want to do is just go over to Search Traffic and click Search Queries. And then what you're going to see is a lot of data here about each search term, how many times it was clicked, how many impressions it got, and the actual percentage of the CTR. So that's basically 18 into 140 and you'll get 13%. So it's pretty cool because you can see if it goes up or down, and that means you're getting more searches with a higher CTR. So go through your Webmaster Tools and find this data and play around with it. So you want to seem as relevant as possible for the search. This is done by having a high CTR. What we are going to do with the software crowdsearch.me is manipulate the CTR rate to our website and raise the percentage. Okay, let's talk about dwell time. Now this measures how long it takes for someone to return to the search engine after clicking a result in the SERP. Now we know Google is tracking dwell time because they used to give you an option back in the day to block certain websites in the Webmaster Tools if your dwell time for a specific website was significantly low. Now this option is no longer available, but we know Google is tracking dwell time and using it in the SERPs. So dwell time is a key ingredient to show the search engines that your website is full of relevant content. It's important that we take a look at this while we're trying to rank our websites. So click-through rate plus dwell time equals a killer combination. Now these two metrics really shine when they are combined. If you have both a high CTR and high dwell time, you're almost always going to have a quality, relevant result and a higher ranking. CTR by itself can easily be manipulated with bots, so dwell time is certainly the key ingredient here. Now crowd search optimization is simply an army of real people performing any search you want to click through to the website. Usually the software for crowd searching is run on a per credit basis, so you're basically paying for every single time someone does this task. That's good because it's not on a monthly basis, which could be a high cost and all that stuff. So crowdsearch.me is a website that allows you to enter your keyword and the keyword you want to rank for into their system, which will then be sent off to their army of employees all over the country who will perform the task of searching your keyword and clicking through to your website. It's really cool software. What a crowd searcher actually does. First, they're going to open up Google and enter your main keyword and then click search. And then they're going to go through the search engine ranking page until they find your website and click into it. After that, they're going to browse your site while also clicking through various internal pages. Then after a few minutes, they're going to click out of your site and not go back to the search engine. So that shows to Google that they completed their task. Okay, I'm inside crowdsearch.me and I just want to show you a little demo about how the software works. So what you want to do is just add a new campaign right here. And then let's call this campaign Newport Beach Plumber. And let's say our website is newportbeachplumber.com. And the keyword we want is Newport Beach Plumber. We're just going to click add here. Okay, 1 second. And we're going to let the system do its thing. And it's going to bring up this screen right here. So just scroll down to the bottom, and for search boost per day, let's say we want about 4. And how much time do they want to spend on the website? Let's do about, let's say 4 also. So every day there's going to be 16 credits spent for this campaign. So you just got to manage how many you want to spend per day and the package you want to get. So just click save, and voila.